The TVS Apache RR 310 gets some optional equipment to make it even more irresistible if you're looking to begin spending some time on a racetrack. And the latest kit on offer includes fully adjustable suspension, which makes the Apache RR 310 the most affordable bike to get such kit.
TVS Motor Company's flagship motorcycle, the Apache RR 310, gets updated yet again, and this is the fourth update since the bike was launched in 2017. It's only been updated in 2020, early 2020, when it got ride-by-wire, riding modes, TFT color screen. But now TVS has introduced what it calls build to order. Apparently customers wanted to personalize their bikes, wanted better kit. So now it comes with two different performance kits which you can order online and get it fitted from the factory on the bike. The most important change on those kits is fully adjustable suspension on the front and the rear, both preload and rebound damping. And of course, the exhaust has been tweaked a bit, so the sound is a little meatier, and now it gets a brass coated anti-rust chain which is said to give more mileage, so it will last longer. But the proof, they say, is in the pudding. So we are here at the MMRT Madras Motor Racetrack today to see how much of a difference that adjustable suspension makes to this new Apache RR 310.
The built-to-order TVS Apache RR 310 certainly looks the part. The racy graphics, brass-coated drive chain with anti-rust treatment, and a closer look at the triple clamp reveal the only visual changes. But there are some finer changes as well. The full-color 5.5-inch TFT instrument panel introduced last year is now updated to allow you store and view documents like the RC, insurance papers, and the driver's license. The Apache RR 310 still comes in one variant, but with the new build-to-order platform, there is a whole lot of custom options available, the most significant being the performance kits. With the build-to-order platform, you can not just change the paint scheme, but also opt for two road-legal performance kits, Dynamic and Race, offering fully adjustable suspension not available in any other motorcycle in its class or even a segment or two above it. So, you can set up your suspension depending on how you use the bike, whether it's for city use, for highway touring, or for the occasional track use. The race kit also offers a new handlebar which is lower, and the race kit foot pegs have been moved up higher to offer more clearance and better lean angles. What remains more or less the same is the overall silhouette and design. The dual LED headlight and the LED taillight have been left unchanged, and the reversed inclined single-cylinder engine has also not been tinkered with. What has changed is the exhaust, retuned for a bassier note and with more cornering clearance. Our track session started with the suspension in stock setting, which was then adjusted and dialed up for track use. The difference is immediately noticeable as the RR becomes more confident, more sure-footed. And the good thing is that the sticky Michelin Road 5 tires have been retained, and they offer superlative levels of grip. Clearly, the TVS Apache RR 310 now makes for one of the best setup entry-level sport bikes to improve your game on a racetrack.
What we're riding today is a new Apache RR 310 with the optional race kit. What you get is fully adjustable front and rear suspension, different foot pegs which are slightly higher, so you get more cornering clearance while leaning on a racetrack, and of course you get the brass coated anti-rust chain. Now, the key takeaway of the new RR 310 with the kit is that suspension. It makes so much of a difference. It gives you more versatility to tailor-make it into your own requirements. So whether you're riding on city, you can make the suspension more pliant. When you're riding on a track, you can dial it up, make it more stiff, and that makes all the difference between handling and the confidence level. To me, the RR 310 still makes for a very good case. If you're into sport riding, this one offers a very good stepping stone into the world of super sport motorcycles.
The 2021 TVS Apache RR 310 in stock form has also become expensive. And to get the adjustable suspension, you'll have to opt for at least the dynamic kit. And for the race handlebar, raised footrest assembly and knurled foot pegs for better grip, you have to shell out extra for the race kit. But the good thing is that these kits can be retrofitted on any existing Apache RR 310, along with the engine maps and the electronic updates which were introduced last year. With the build-to-order options, the Apache RR 310 has certainly become one of the best kitted out entry-level sport bikes under 3 lakh rupees. Loaded to the gills with features and performance equipment not available in any other bike in its segment, the new RR 310 has become even more appealing than ever before.